Is that you?
No.
Someone's phone ringing.
Down there.
Ha! Unlucky. Yes, that was a drug dealer's phone still ringing. Hello and welcome back to another Explore. We have a banger for you today. This one is a fresh cannabis cultivation warehouse. As you can see, there's still leaves, pots, everything's still there. The police have been there tearing this place to pieces for the last 2 days. It was that fresh, even though the electric's turned off. As you can see, there was still frozen prawns in the freezer. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you can do, please subscribe. We're at this place today. It's been in the news today because it's one of the biggest cannabis finds that they've had. One of the biggest. Now, we came here, there's an entrance on the other side, and we drove past. There was 2 cars. We thought there was decoy police cars, but then there was just sat in there at night time, 2 coppers. I pulled up and I said, is there any chance we can come in and have a look? She was like, the copper is female, and there was a man next to her. She said to me, not a fucking chance, she said. That was the copper. So, I mean, we've already driven past. We've seen the shutter has been pulled up slightly, and there's a couple of boxes there, so we already know what's round here and how to get in. So, it might be just a big empty warehouse. Never know. We'll soon find out. Let's get around there. Time this right, because you get a few prostitutes up and down here, and a few cars. I've just seen the light. There we are. There's a car looking for a prostitute. So we'll just take a slow walk. Yeah, he's driven around once already. I've seen his car already.
Yeah.
Have you? Do you know what, last night we sat in the car. There was a car on this side, car over that side, cop car, and yeah, I pulled up. Absolutely fucking stunk in there. Could smell it out here. Right, let's try and get this done. We'll just put this box under there, just roll under. It lifts up. We've already had a look. Oh, that's polystyrene. Get this hard plastic one. I'm going to start recording and get my hands free. We have walked up and down here about 10 times. Every time we get... For what reason do people keep driving down up and down here? There's nothing here. He's had a little break. He's had a look. Yeah. Right. Try again. Fucking hell. Just going to have a quick noise around nose. Another one! There's nothing here! We know what they're doing, but there's no prostitutes tonight. They'll be down bloody Railway Street. They've all been picked up. Just have a quick look. Right. He's just gone across the road. Right, he's gone that way. Right, let's get under. Why are people setting fireworks off tonight? It's like May. Is it Chinese New Year still?
No idea.
God, I could stinks out of here. Go on, quick. Go, go, go.
I thought you were going first.
And I was going to, but... Go, go, go. You in? Yeah, I'll pass you that. Oh, God. Wow, this stinks.
Yeah.
Wow. That is strong. Oh. Did you get my torch? Sorry, everyone. It's a bit dark. Just a crawl. There we go.
That's better.
That's better. Right. Okay, we're in. This stinks. Wow. Woo. This was, yes. So we've got a massive roll of black and white on the floor. Is it black and white or is it just white? It is just white. I think these fold out. Another one, so you get a meter and then you fold it out that way, I think. If I remember right.
No, I think it's just the white one, isn't
Yeah, no, it is black and white. Yeah, you fold it out again, look. So you get 2 metres width, and it goes all that way. That is stinky, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very stinky. What's that secret little way through there then? Right, we'll come back to that bit then. Oh, there's loads of little ways. Do you reckon it was in this whole warehouse? Or should we do that way? It's shorter that way, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Yeah. So I think this would have been relatively empty now. I might be wrong. Might have been all hung up from the ceiling. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay, so... would it have been in here? I don't know. Unless there's... I know, because there's windows around this bit, isn't there? There's ladders up, yeah. Huh. Cars. Right. I know. Well, that's just hanging on there. We'll have a look round the other way, see if there's another way up, because that seems a bit dodgy. Right. So that's all been sectioned off. Maybe it was just in that massive warehouse bit there.
What this bit do for?
I don't know. I can't see anything. Like, the electrics have been rigged here, look.
Yeah.
And it comes, so you can see it all wired up there. And it goes up and across into this bit. So I think it would have been in the big warehouse here. Yeah, it would have. Yeah. I was saying that must be the only way up, because this can't go across to it, can it? Yeah, it's proper big one. Look at this black and white's worth a bit, you know.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it was it? I can't remember, like £10 for a couple of metres. There's full bloody rolls. What are they left in here? Oh, fuck it. Carbon filters, brand new carbon filters in boxes. Brand new filters, green box. Huh. Ah, there we go. They've slashed it all up. Look at these tents. Big tents left here. There'll be a few £100 worth. They're big ones then. All the pots are still here. Yes, look at the size of these. So they've done it in tents. Fucking hell, some tents here, look at that.
Yeah.
Hello? Someone's in here. Some rubber gloves. I think they're police gloves, they are.
Yeah.
All the electric boxes. So yes, 2 days ago this got raided all over the news. Yeah. Some bloody big tents. Yeah, it's fresh. This is like not the typical weed smell. Not the typical weed smell, but it's yeah. There's a carbon filter. You see all the carbon on the floor and the filter on. It's supposed to get rid of the smell, but no. Got a thermometer. That would have been through the roof, because all the lights would have been in here.
I'm surprised I'm leaving it like
Yeah. Yeah, but they don't. They've chopped them at the base. They haven't left all the shit.
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Would have been a very, very nice grow. Loads of leaves left, as you can see. It was we've come in here and it's very, very fresh. So I still can't see how this was one of the biggest ones, because there's a lot of tents, isn't there?
Yeah.
But I thought it would have been in the full warehouse. Just down the road at the bank, just down there, they did another one a few years back, and that was supposed to be pretty big. Eh?
Another thermometer.
Yeah. Another carbon filter that we've left there. These are worth money.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Tempting. Stick them on Facebook, some will have them. Oh, no Nearly slipped over on a cannabis leaf then.
More here.
More?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes that way. Okay, wow, okay. Got a little step. Yeah. This is a definitely another one.
Is that mould or in both? Is it dust?
I don't know. Another expensive carbon filter there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, well, that's just from here. So about 200 a day. Yeah. A couple of hundred are just in this room. Yeah, nice. Unfucking lucky. I don't know. Do I feel bad for him?
Catch 22, yes, because they got caught, but no, because that's making all the money.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we just go out here.
One of them loved Grace.
Eh?
One of them loved Grace.
Ah. Do you reckon they found it all? Do you reckon there's any secret rooms with any more in? We've got a little sprayer there if they wanted any spider mite. If some of the plants sometimes get spider mite, little spiders. They'd have been doing a little bit of spraying. There's the old water tank. Oh, it's still got the stuff in there. Yo! Is that you?
No.
Someone's phone ringing.
Down there.
Ha! Unlucky.
Unavailable.
That's weird that. Someone just left that.
I did say that.
Oh my god, what's this? I thought there was more phones. Fucking hell. So this would have been the drying room, yeah? So technically, we could put this in a little roll now,
Yeah.
and we could smoke some of this. This would have been one of the drying rooms. Is there any more this way then? Oh, there's more this way. There is more. Fucking hell.
That phone calls off.
Yeah, I thought it was you, and I thought, that's going to be a drug dealer's phone.
Fucking meat cleaver.
Meat cleaver?
With that.
Okay, no. Yeah, some dangerous people doing this sort of stuff then. Yeah. Fucking meat cleaver, so there's been people in here. Ooh. So yes. No, that would have been for. And this is where they would have been living, in this back bit here. All the food's in here, fridges, everything. Yep, got some ginger. They've been eating healthy while they've been here then. What food have they still got in here?
Indian people.
Some, oof, stinks. Oof. Someone's been to Wales. Oh, fucking hell, look at all them prawns. Full of bloody prawns. Still frozen then. Still have all the food. This is how fresh it is. All
I
the,
put sugar in the fridge.
all the fresh. I don't know, that's weird, that, isn't it?
So now
All the food, is all still in here. This is how fresh.
and shit roll up there for you.
Yeah.
In the freezer.
Oh my god, another one. Oh my god, it keeps going. This was big. This was bloody massive.
Loads of chicken in the freezer.
There's all the bulbs, all the electrics. That goes back through that way. And that's the end of the line because I can see the shutter there. These were all the babies. These were all the baby plants, so they had a rotation going on. So when the other ones get chopped down, these would have been already half grown, so they could have started growing these. Loads and loads of them.
At least 500 in there.
Yeah, right. I'm going to get out of it because it's a bit. You put
potatoes
the no, they're the little rock walls that they put them in to grow originally. Yes, buzzing. Good explore. Oh my god, there's another bit. Look at all the stuff. That's all the ballasts and all the boxes, all the equipment came in. That's nothing. Right, let's get out of here. I can't be asked. We're getting meat cleaver today. I don't think. Eh?
You should have answered the phone.
It's weird how that's charged up, isn't it?
You really did it then.
Yeah.
One of the bedrooms.
Is it? Oh yeah, bedroom. Might have been just one person sleeping here then doing it all. Right, let's get out of here. Let's get fucking out of here. What's that one? Little shower room. They put a shower in and the toilet. Right, let's do one. Oh. Let's fucking do one. This stuff looks like some sort of feed. Wide organic, some sort of like cocoa feed. A load of fans, more electrics. Tub of something, more weed. So they stripped all the plants. That's just the stems that are left. Someone's jacket there. Do you want a new jacket? Don't know what it is. Oh, it is a Ralph Lauren, mate. Fuck, take it with you. Do you know how much they are? No. That's 300 quid. Okay, no. I'll shit you not. Right. I think that's about it, to be honest. It's just all the same sort of stuff. There's like poles and bits and bobs, and yeah, there's all sorts. Yeah, right. I'm going to leave this phone somewhere. I'm not going to actually take it. I'll just. Right. So yes, that was the fucking hell, the massive drug farm, fresh, 2 days ago. And we went last night. The police were still there last night, so we're very fresh. Grimsby. What was it called? It's like Ryby Square here. I forgot what road it is. Ryby Square's there. The Albion's there. The garage is just there. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, if you can do, please subscribe. I'm going to get off now before the old bill come. There's been the same cars driving around. Been a bit suspect, so I'll see you next time. Bye.